Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thanksgiving is approaching very quickly. So today I wanted to do a little video to outfit ideas of what to wear for Thanksgiving. And the outfit ideas are going to range the gamut from super casual to more dressed up. Everybody's families has like a different dress code for Thanksgiving. So let me know in the comments, does your family go super casual or do you guys get a little bit more dressed up for Thanksgiving dinner? I would love to know down in the comments below. This video is going to feature some fun pieces, some of which I've gotten in recently, some things that I've had for a little while, so I will link everything down in the description box in the order that it appears if you are interested in shopping any of it. But more to the point of this video, I was really trying to create like outfit combinations that could kind of inspire you, because I think a lot of these outfit combinations will be things that you can easily recreate with things that you already have in your wardrobe to just make it super simple for you and just reuse something that you already have. When it comes to dressing for Thanksgiving, some of my key things that I always like to think about, number one, definitely comfort. You're going to be eating a really big meal, so it's really not the time to feel like you're wearing something that's constraining you or something that you feel like you have to adjust all the time. And the second thing that I really like to think about is sort of like the tones and the colors and sort of mimicking those autumnal sort of vibes. The color palette of fall leaves, like deep reds or rust or orange, like a really golden yellow, brown tones, creams. That sort of is the color palette that I think of a lot when it comes to putting together the perfect Thanksgiving dinner outfit. The first outfit combination that I think works really well for Thanksgiving dinner is a skirt with a knit top or sweater, or a skirt, a camisole, and a cardigan. This first outfit is so cute. I just got this silk skirt from Quince, and I love that they make this skirt in a leopard print. They've had this for a while, but the leopard print is so much fun, and it's really, really on trend right now. In case you didn't catch my fall 2024 trends video, then you'll know that leopard print is everywhere. But I love this because the skirt itself has an elastic waistband, and that's really key. When picking a skirt to wear for Thanksgiving dinner, I think you want to pick something that definitely has stretch. You don't want to pick a skirt, especially a high-waisted one, if it's going to be really rigid and fit really tight to your waist with no give. So that is one reason why I really like this skirt for this occasion. Wearing it with this black bodysuit underneath, which is very stretchy and very comfortable, and then this really pretty like marigold golden yellow cardigan over the top. It's definitely a little bit more dressed up, but it feels also casual at the same time. Like, it just feels like you put a little bit of effort into your look to look nice, but you're not feeling like super dressy and fancy for Thanksgiving dinner by any means. I also think that if you even want to camouflage the potential like food baby, if you will, that you could get on Thanksgiving, one other way that you could style a slip skirt like this is to get like a big chunky sweater and just wear it over the top of the skirt rather than having something tucked into the skirt and sort of showing off your waist. If you pair a like especially a slip or silk skirt with just a really chunky oversized knit that just falls over the top, that will create an even more relaxed look. And the sweater will kind of hide anything, if you know what I mean. Like, you're not going to feel uncomfortable after maybe eating a little bit too much pumpkin pie, if you know what I mean. So I think this is also a great way to show up to Thanksgiving dinner, still look nice, but, you know, in a way that's styled to maybe hide, you know, eating a lot. Because, I mean, I personally eat way too much on Thanksgiving. I'll be the first person to admit. So I just have to shout out these brown suede booties that I'm wearing with that outfit. I just got these from DSW. They're from Steve Madden, and they are gorgeous. They're like, they're genuine suede, and they just have this nice chunky heel on the back. They really go with so many different outfits, like really cute for any like casual fall outfits, and I've been wearing them constantly since they came in the mail. Anyway, I love these. This is another silk skirt from Quince, and I just want to shout out the fact that these silk skirts, you might think like, oh my god, why would you wear silk skirts on Thanksgiving dinner? They're washable, which is why I love them. But anyway, this version of the outfit I thought was a little bit more dressy. So if your family does have a little bit more of a fancier dress code for Thanksgiving, going with like a more monochromatic, like chic look like this, I think is so elegant and so beautiful. And again, still so comfortable, because this skirt is essentially the exact same skirt as the last one. It has that elastic waistband, it just happens to be longer. And again, with this really comfy knit over the top, I kind of have it tucked in a little bit to the waistline to sort of emphasize my figure, but you could also, like the previous outfit, just untuck it, let it hang out, and sort of, you know, let it hang over the skirt. So it really is up to you, but going for a more monochromatic look, especially with like something like a satin or silk skirt, it just looks really elevated and beautiful, but at the same time, it's like ridiculously comfortable. So this next outfit combination is a dress and boots. One thing I love about a dress, and I've said it many times on this channel, is just the fact that it's a really easy outfit to just throw it on and go about your life. All you got to do is pick out a good pair of shoes, some accessories, and you're good to go. And so the dress and boots combo works so well for Thanksgiving, depending on what kind of dress you pick. If you can find a really good, comfy, easy, breezy dress. This first one I'm going to share with you all is again from Quince, and it is again in their washable but stretch silk. This has it's 90% silk and it's 10% spandex, so it has even a little bit of stretch to it, which again, anything with stretch to it is kind of what you want on Thanksgiving, because you want that little bit of forgiveness. But I love this dress. It's cut on a bias. It's really figure flattering. I just got it in the other day and it looks so beautiful on, and I got it in this stunning burgundy color, which I think is great for Thanksgiving, and sort of styled it in a very monochromatic vibe, kind of like the previous skirt and sweater, but this time with a leather moto jacket that's also kind of a burgundy purse, some burgundy earrings, and then again with those dark brown suede boots that I just shared with you all. I thought maybe like burgundy boots would have been just a little bit too much, but the dark brown really, I think it complements that rich burgundy tone really well. And I think this outfit also feels a little bit more dressed up and a little bit more elevated for anybody who does have a nicer dress code of a dinner that they're going to. But again, it's so comfortable and you just look really elegant and pulled together, but without sacrificing that comfort, because that is just so key on Thanksgiving. I styled it in another way too. If you wanted it to feel a little bit more casual, I threw on this sort of oversized blazer that I have with my pair of Sambas and a little bit of accessories, and this kind of tones it down a little bit. It doesn't feel quite as fancy as the last version, but again, this dress is so easy to wear, and it's really lightweight, it's breathable. I think it looks really classic and elegant for Thanksgiving. This next dress is a Walmart find, and I love this because plaid, I think, really gives that sort of Thanksgiving sort of vibe, especially when it's in this sort of mossy green tone colorway like this dress is. And the reason why I picked this dress for this video is because it has a sort of A-line shape, so it's not at all fitted anywhere around the body. Kind of just goes in a slight A-line all the way throughout the dress. So it's really swingy and again, very comfortable for a day when famously we're all eating a lot of food. Paired it with these fun little cream colored Western boots, and I think this is just a really cute Thanksgiving Day outfit, especially if you live somewhere that is a little bit on the warmer side like I do. It's really perfect because it'll probably be warmer on that day. It's likely not going to be cold. So this outfit sort of gives that like cozy vibe, but without being too warm. And then again, like I said, a very forgiving dress that allows for comfort when sitting and eating at the Thanksgiving dinner table. Another Quince dress that I love that is so good. I travel in this dress all the time because of how comfortable it is. It is a cashmere knit sweater dress. And I think this is perfect for Thanksgiving just because it is really forgiving. Now, I did order this, I think, in a medium just because I was nervous for the small to be a little bit too tight for me, and I definitely could have had the small. So this does fit me a little bit on the oversized side, but I feel like this dress would just camouflage any food baby that you could have because it's black, first of all, which is very slimming, and just the nature of how it fits on the body, no one will be the wiser that you had an extra serving of whatever, insert your favorite Thanksgiving food, which let me know in the comments what food on Thanksgiving you look forward to the most. For me, it's the sweet potato casserole. I think also this is just a really classic and chic look. I tied this striped cardigan around my shoulders just to sort of style it up a little bit. And, you know, it's a great idea to bring a layer with you just in case you get a little chillier at night. You can throw it on the way that it's meant to be worn. Just wearing it with some sneakers keeps it a little bit casual. Of course, I know this is a dress and boots section, but this could easily have a pair of boots thrown on underneath it and work just as well too. So there's definitely flexibility. If you'd rather comfy sneakers and just be all out comfortable, then this is definitely the look because the cashmere is so soft, it's got a lot of stretch, and it just feels so good on. This dress is the one that I'm currently wearing. I found this on Amazon and I just thought this was the absolute perfect color and style dress for Thanksgiving. If you want something that just feels very feminine and more girly, I guess, but without sacrificing on comfort. And the reason I say that is because this waistband is fully elastic. So it's really nice and stretchy. It's got a lot of give. The sleeves are really elastic and stretchy here. You've got a nice sort of like faux wrap sort of look to the neckline, which I think is a very flattering dress style on pretty much any body type. It sort of gives you that created hourglass sort of look. And you've got this little snap right here, so if you wanted to snap it and have it be a little bit higher up, you could. If you want a little bit more cleavage, you also have that option. I love when people do that with these types of dresses. And then of course this gorgeous pleated skirt that is just so flowy and gorgeous, and there's a little like opaque slip underneath, of course, that goes to your knees so that keeps everything covered. But this is gorgeous. This is just, I think, the quintessential perfect Thanksgiving dress, and it is on Amazon Prime, so it can come very quickly and you will have it in time for Thanksgiving Day if you order it in the right amount of time if you're interested. The next outfit combination is jeans, a knit, a blazer, and some ballet flats or sneakers. Now, when it comes to jeans, you definitely might want to look for a pair of jeans that have some stretch in them, because wearing a pair of rigid jeans to Thanksgiving, like we've kind of talked about, might be a little uncomfortable. Now, I will say there are years where I intentionally wear jeans with no stretch to Thanksgiving, and you might think I'm crazy, but I do that on purpose because I feel like it kind of gives me like a signal to know, like, okay, the pants are feeling a little tight. Maybe we should, you know, take a halftime or rethink that. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of my own little way to sort of be like, okay, let's have a little self-control today. Maybe I'm the only one who does that, but some years I definitely don't do that when I don't feel like it. But it is like a little trick that I do every once in a while. Now, these barrel jeans from Abercrombie, they don't really have very much stretch, so if I chose to wear these, then it would be for that sort of reason. But I love this outfit because it's definitely on trend. I know a lot of people are really not into barrel jeans. I took a little bit to warm up to them, I'm not gonna lie, but I think I'm fully on board with them now. And this look has that sort of more chic, ladylike blazer in it, but with the barrel jeans, I think it creates kind of a cool juxtaposition of something that's really trendy with something that's very elegant. So it kind of creates more of a balance of the two, if you will. And then I threw on this super soft, very luxurious cashmere t-shirt from Quince underneath, and I just think this is a really cute but also chic look that works really well. And if you get a little warm, you can take the blazer off, and that's great because you never know, depending on whose house you're going over to, like what's their heating situation. Do they blast their heater? Do they blast the AC? You always just want to be prepared because nothing is worse than like being a little bit too cold or being a little bit too hot. This other jeans and blazer situation also features another Quince cashmere t-shirt, but I picked a different pair of jeans that definitely do have stretch, so a lot more comfortable for Thanksgiving. But I threw on this other blazer that I have that I absolutely love. It's also from Quince. If you can't tell, I'm a little bit obsessed with Quince. I've been going crazy with them. But this blazer, let me tell you, it is so comfortable. It has a lot of stretch to it. And when I wear it, I don't feel like I'm wearing like a stuffy blazer. It definitely allows you to move, and I love that it has this sort of mechanism inside of it so that you can insert these little, they're called dicky inserts, which basically helps you fake the look of a hoodie layered underneath your blazer. So you're getting that layered look, but without the bulk and without the added weight and insulation of wearing a hoodie under your blazer. And I just love that because I think wearing the dicky insert with the blazer just gives it a little bit more of a casual vibe, makes it feel a little bit less businessy. And I think that's really cute. More casual Thanksgiving, but still a situation where you do want to look chic and you do want to put more, you want to look more put together. And then I threw on a pair of these leopard print sneakers with this because I always just got to throw a pop of pattern in somewhere, and these sneakers are so comfortable. I know I meant that this was supposed to be the section with ballet flats, but you can tell I've already mixed the shoes up in these little combinations, so don't come at me. I'm doing my best here. I need coffee. The other combo that you could go with is just a cozy knit and jeans or trousers. Trousers also I'm throwing in here interchangeably, even though you're not going to see me style an outfit with them, because I think trousers can give this sort of outfit combination a little bit more of an elevated vibe if you wanted to go that route. But this first look is definitely interesting. It's kind of a monochromatic beigey white look, And these jeans are from Abercrombie. I've had them for a while. I'll try to link them if they're still available. They're a very interesting color, but I just got this striped sweater from Quince also. And I thought they would look so cute together. And I didn't realize like how similar of colors that they were going to be. And I thought I was going to hate this together, but actually I think I kind of like it. I threw it on with these fun little pearly Western boots to sort of give it a little bit of a flair, and I think the coloring of these and the style works with this outfit so perfectly. And then underneath the sweater, I threw on a little Dickie collared shirt, which we're all about Dickies in this video, apparently, of all kinds. I got this one in particular from Amazon, and I really love it because it's got those little pearls and rhinestones that are sort of attached already to the collar, so you don't even really have to think about wearing a necklace if you put one of those on underneath your sweater. And it's such a great way, again, to create a more visually interesting outfit with a layering aspect, but without adding in the extra bulk that you would normally have to do if you were going to wear like a full-on collared shirt under your sweater. Then, we don't want to be too hot. We don't want to be uncomfortable on Thanksgiving. That is the key, isn't it? This outfit is another great example of this. It sort of leans a little bit more into like Christmassy holiday vibes, but my Christmas tree has been up since November 2nd. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm fully already into the Christmas spirit at this point in time. So, you know, Thanksgiving has sort of become like the pre-game of Christmas in my mind. And that's why I really love this outfit for Thanksgiving as well, just because the jeans in this look are from Walmart. They have these little rhinestones on them, which is so cute, but they have a good amount of stretch to them. They're really comfortable jeans, and then paired with this really cozy Fair Isle sweater, the colors in it are stunning, and it just creates a more fun and colorful look. I feel like I've done a lot of neutrals in this video, and I'm typically a lot more of like a colorful style person, so I had to throw in like a fun, bright, and colorful look into the mix, because if you know me, then you know that's what I do a lot more of. But yeah, you cannot go wrong with a good, like, fun pair of jeans and a nice knit sweater for Thanksgiving. It sounds basic, but if it ain't broke, don't fix it. You know what they say. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. The outfit combination is for all of you guys whose families are like, come as you are, we are casual, you could be in your pajamas, you could be in your athleisure, nobody cares. Bless you for that. And it is an oversized sweater or sweatshirt and leggings. I chose to go a little bit more of like a dressed up route with this combination. I grabbed my Spanx faux leather leggings and threw on this oversized sweater that I've had for ages. So I'm so sorry I cannot link this one, and I'm probably not going to be able to find anything that's very similar. But this is like an outfit combination that is like one of my go-tos for the wintertime when I just want to be comfortable, because the faux leather Spanx leggings, they are so comfortable, and they have a little bit of compression in them to kind of make you feel like you're a little bit, you know, snatched in, but without making you feel like you're constrained. And that's what I really like about them. But I love to throw on a big oversized sweater over the top, and then my Doc Marten Jadon boots, because I don't know, I just love the nice chunky combat boots with this look. But you could also absolutely pair this with some like crew socks and your favorite sneakers. If you wanted to go like just with yoga pants and an oversized sweatshirt and sneakers, like if your family is that casual, then go for it. That is the most primo comfortable outfit that you could possibly be in for Thanksgiving, and you can't go wrong with that. And it also transitions so perfectly if you are one of those who plan on heading out to Black Friday sales on Thanksgiving, which more power to you. I'm in like a literal food coma at the end of Thanksgiving. I do not know how people go out and shop with all the crazy people. If you do that, please tell me how. How do you find the strength? Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're interested, make sure to check out my Quince haul. I know I talked a lot about Quince in here, but there's some great pieces in here if you're looking for some really chic, classic fall pieces that will be in your wardrobe for a long time. So head over there next. If you're not already, hit the subscribe button. You know you want to. We have a lot of fun around here. I've got a lot of fun holiday content planned for you all coming up, so please hit that button. Also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. I'll see you guys over on this video next, and if not, I'll see you on the next one. Bye!